Ever wonder how a small seed can grow into a mighty tree? It starts small, almost imperceptibly, but over time, with the right conditions, it flourishes. Your savings can work in a surprisingly similar way, thanks to a powerful concept called compound interest. Think about it. You put some money into a savings account. That money earns interest. Essentially, the bank pays you a little extra for keeping your money with them. Now, here's where the magic happens. With simple interest, you only earn interest on your initial deposit, no matter how long it sits there. It's like that seed staying the same size, never growing. But compound interest? That's like planting that seed in fertile ground with plenty of sunlight and water. Not only do you earn interest on your original deposit, but you also start earning interest on the interest you've already earned. It's interest earning interest, a snowball effect that can significantly grow your savings over time. Let's break this down with a simple example. Imagine you deposit $1,000 into a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. After the first year, you'll earn 5% of $1,000, which is $50. So, your total balance is now $1,050. Now, here's the key difference between simple and compound interest. With simple interest, in the second year, you'd again earn 5% of your original $1,000 deposit, another $50, bringing your total to $1,100. But with compound interest, in the second year, you earn 5% of your new balance of $1,050. That's $52.50 in interest. So, your total balance becomes $1,102.50. See the difference? It might seem small in the beginning, just $2.50 in this example, but over time, this difference can become substantial. That extra $2.50 also starts earning interest in the following periods, further accelerating your growth. Think of it like this: the first year, only your initial $1,000 is working for you. The second year, your $1,000 plus the $50 in interest are working for you. The third year, your $1,000 plus the $50 from the first year plus the $52.50 from the second year are all contributing to your earnings. Your money is making more money. To really illustrate the power of compounding, let's extend our example over a longer period. Let's say you leave that initial $1,000 in the account for 10 years at a 5% annual interest rate, compounded annually. After 5 years, with simple interest, you would have earned $50 per year, totaling $250 in interest, and your balance would be $1,250. But with compound interest, after 5 years, your balance would be approximately $1,276.28. That's an extra $26.28 just from the interest earning interest. Now, let's look at the full 10 years. With simple interest, you'd have earned $500 in total, bringing your balance to $1,500. With compound interest, after 10 years, your balance would be approximately $1,628.89. That's a difference of $128.89. The longer your money is allowed to compound, the more significant the difference becomes. This highlights a crucial factor in maximizing the benefits of compound interest: time. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small amounts saved consistently over a long period can turn into a significant sum thanks to the power of compounding. Another key factor is the interest rate. The higher the interest rate, the faster your money will grow. Even a seemingly small increase in the interest rate can have a substantial impact on your long-term savings. This is why it's important to shop around for savings accounts that offer competitive interest rates. The frequency of compounding also plays a role. In our example, we used annual compounding, meaning interest is calculated and added to your balance once a year. However, some banks offer more frequent compounding, such as quarterly, monthly, or even daily. The more frequently your interest is compounded, the more often your interest starts earning its own interest, leading to slightly faster growth. Let's revisit our initial $1,000 deposit at a 5% annual interest rate, but this time, let's see the impact of different compounding frequencies over 10 years. Annually, as we calculated, the balance would be approximately $1,628.89. Semi-annually, twice a year the effective annual rate becomes slightly higher because the interest earned in the first half of the year also earns interest in the second half. The final balance would be around $1,638.62. Quarterly, for times a year, compounding even more frequently leads to a slightly higher return. The balance would be approximately $1,643.62. Monthly, 12 times a year with monthly compounding, the balance after 10 years would be approximately $1,647.01. Daily, 365 times a year compounding daily offers the most frequent opportunity for your interest to earn interest. The final balance would be around $1,648.66. As you can see, while the difference might not seem huge in this specific example, the more frequently your interest compounds, the more your savings can grow over time. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does Ally Bank fit into all of this? Ally Bank is known for offering competitive interest rates on its savings accounts and often compounds interest daily. This means your money has the potential to grow faster compared to accounts with lower interest rates or less frequent compounding. Think back to our seed analogy. Ally Bank, with its competitive rates and daily compounding, provides fertile ground and consistent nourishment for your savings to flourish. So, how can you take advantage of this powerful force? Start saving early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to compound. Even small, consistent contributions can make a big difference over the long run. Be consistent. Regular contributions, no matter the amount, help to fuel the compounding process. Think of it as consistently watering your growing tree. Look for higher interest rates, compare different savings accounts and choose those that offer competitive interest rates. Every little bit helps in accelerating your growth. Understand compounding frequency. While daily compounding might offer a slight advantage, the interest rate itself is often a more significant factor. However, understanding how often your interest is calculated can help you make informed decisions. Leave your money alone. If possible, the longer your money stays in the account, the more it benefits from the compounding effect. Avoid withdrawing funds unless absolutely necessary. Compound interest isn't just a concept for economists or financial experts. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to build their savings over time. It's the silent workhorse behind long-term wealth accumulation, allowing your money to work for you, even while you sleep. By understanding how compound interest works and by choosing a bank like Ally that offers competitive rates and frequent compounding, you can harness this financial superpower and watch your savings grow more significantly than with simple interest alone. It's about planting that seed early, nurturing it consistently, and allowing the magic of compounding to work its wonders over time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.